of our people since the independence of Sudan in 1956. And as you know, the struggle of South Sudanese not start in 1983. It starts since 1955. In that day, in Torid, those are our struggle, led by many leaders, struggle for the South Sudan to be independent. But unfortunately, it's not done by that time. Another, the resuming struggle in 1983, led by our leader, John Garang, struggle until they make peace with a government in Sudan, until we get this referendum, and now we are enjoying our country, South Sudan, to be independent country. Now we are enjoying because the martyrs of these South Sudanese whom are not with us. I hope in this day we can remember those martyrs, because for their struggle we get and we enjoy the government of South Sudan today. So SPLM-IO, viva! Viva! SPLM-IO, viva!
Viva!
Today we are welcoming one of our member struggle is Jacob Lado, is coming to join us, not only to make SPLM strong, but also to fulfill with us, to put our hand together, to enjoy peace in South Sudan. We as SPLM-IO, led by Stephen Farr, we are looking for peace. We are a people for peace. And even our chairman in house arrest, Dr. Riek Machar, is also meant for peace. So now, we as IO members in the whole South Sudan, we are looking to implementing peace, and we can put our hand together with the partners of this agreement, with the President Salva Kiir, to make peace available, because our people is too suffer. They need peace, because there is no any way unless we implement this peace agreement. Today, we are very happy to receive my brother Jacob Lado to be a member with us in IO. I need to confirm to him, IO, we are equal in membership. The difference is assignment. We can give an assignment, and those without assignment, but all in all, we are members of this IO, SPLM-IO, we are members. So members, they are equal. There is no member above member. You come today, you come tomorrow, we are equal. So with this chance, I need also to call all Sudanese to come to join us in SPLM-IO for two reasons. One, we need peace to be implemented. Two, we need South Sudanese to be a South Sudanese face, and a part of that tribes. We are not looking for a tribe, Dinka and Nuer and Chuluk and what. All in all, we are South Sudanese. This is our country. We need to put our hand together and to implement peace, and also we need development in South Sudan, because South Sudan is a rich country in East Africa. We have many resources. If we have put our hand together to use our resources, I hope this country can be a big country in Central Africa or in East Africa or in the whole Africa, because these resources need peace. Without peace, you cannot go to use your resources. Once again, I need to say, Jacob, you are a strong man, and we are warmly received, and also we need you also to call others to come also to join us for sake of peace. We are for peace. This IO for peace. We are not for the war. I need to refer again. Our people in Sudan, in South Sudan, need peace only, because peace is above. There is no thing more than peace. We need peace. So I need to say, Jacob, you feel free. This is your place. This is your comrades. You join SPLM. You get our principle. You get our document here. We have a 4 document. You can get it in my brother Dinglam, and you read it, and then you follow us. And I hope you and us, we can make this IO to be strengthened, to be strong, to go ahead, and also to implement peace. And also South Sudanese looking for us. They need peace from us. and from the whole government to implementing peace. Thank you very much, Media House, for your quick response to come to us, to join us in this day, an important day.